Welcome to the November 2022 issue of Cleaner Magazine. On the cover, head to Ontario, Canada with us to see how Hurricane Hydrovac rises above the competition by offering more services that are well suited to vacuum work. Find out how strategic acquisitions have further grown the company. The 2022 Sewer Nozzle Manufacturer Directory is here to help you make the best choice for your application. Learn about the differences between air and hydro excavators and the overall benefits of vacuum excavation. Get an inside look at Hammerhead Trenchless, including their product development philosophy and how they view the future of the industry. We talk with Randy Bailey of Ames, Iowa, about how he grew his company from a one-man operation into the most complete plumbing company in the area, including trenchless sewer and drain services. These 4 training strategies will help ensure your new hires aren't overwhelmed while getting up to speed. Trenchless Innovations was able to save the Art Institute of Chicago when its drain lines were leaking into classrooms. Read on to find out how they did it. Check out the best of the best in sewer nozzles, hydro excavation, jet vac combo units, root control, safety equipment, and truck and trailer jetters. If you're looking at any of these, Cleaner Magazine has you covered. These lightweight manhole shoring boxes play a major role in the prevention of cave-ins and injuries. Cleaner Magazine is for and about our readers, so we love to hear your ideas. Email editor@cleaner.com. Thanks for watching, and see you next month.